So, ladies and gents, Men in Slacks, absolute great start, guys. Too smart, Latin Hebrew, or Dirt May Hannah. As I said, good start, half the battle. Right, guys, well, Ton, it's more an un-Irish show, Yana Gumsa. It's a huge privilege of mine to introduce a good friend of mine, August Neil Shea Gaelta, let then I call it, sure, Clush Shivish anyway. Good friend of mine. He has a famous relation, although they're only related by music. James Lennon, Tommy Kainter and Shaw, far more kill. Shine Shayla Shane, Tashi An Jack Gulsus, Latain, never mind Labana Kill. It's really have to get up there on your own, never mind with a band, but this guy here does it all himself. Bill the Bus, Milton McMore, that's James Lennon.
Hey, he's doing. I'm going to be singing a bit of Incubus today, so I hope you know them. They're pretty good. So, when you want to go. Pardon me while I burst. A decade ago, I never thought I would be 23 on the verge of spontaneous combustion. Woe is me, but I guess that it comes with the territory, an ominous landscape of never-ending calamity. I need you to hear, I need you to see. I can take this floating scene of the living possibilities to me. So pardon me while I burst into flames. I've had enough of the world and its people's mindless games. So pardon me while I burn, rise above the flames. Pardon me, don't ever be the same. Now 2 days ago, I was having a look in a book and I saw a picture of a guy right up above his knee. Said I can relate, cause lately I've been thinking of investigation as a welcome vacation for the Berlins are the planet Earth, gravity, hypocrisy, and the payrolls of being in treaty. But thinking so much differently. So pardon me while I burst into flames. I've had enough of the world and its people's mindless games. So pardon me while I burn, rise above the flames. Pardon me, don't ever be the same. Never be the same, yeah. Pardon me, I'm to flames. Pardon me. So pardon me while I burst into flames. Had enough of the world and its people's mindless games. So pardon me while I burn, rise above the flames. Pardon me, don't ever be the same. Never be the same, yeah. Thank you.